Hi, this is Luke with Real Property Management Seacoast, New Hampshire. Maintenance issues don't wait for business hours, and they rarely happen at convenient times. At Real Property Management Seacoast, we handle tenant maintenance requests, coordinate with trusted vendors, and ensure repairs are completed effectively and professionally. Owners are kept informed without being overwhelmed, and tenants receive prompt service, reducing frustration and protecting your property. This system helps prevent small issues from becoming major problems while giving owners peace of mind. If you are tired of handling maintenance calls yourself, contact Real Property Management Seacoast to learn how we can help you. Thank you. Thanks for taking time to watch this video. Feel free to reach out to us at rpmseacoastnh.com or our phone number at 603-343-2202. Thank you.